Hey guys, Jet 888 here. We've got a helicopter on the 19th threatening to bite someone who's running from the police, and we've got a heck of a day of spraying. So I got a lot to get caught up on here, and I'm just look forward to getting some videos out. I've been busy, but anyhow, crazy day on the 19th. Remember, 19 AI, just to let you know. Henry says hi, right Henry? Life through the ears of a horse. All right, for now. Oh, that helicopter is saying that the canine is tracking the person, and if they don't come out now, it's gonna bite them. I've seen canines that won't listen to their handler, and they bite the people anyhow, even if the people are conforming to what their orders are being given. Okay, all right. Just look up